get Victor back up.
What's that supposed to?
Oh, nice.
We have a special guest.
Wow, it shoots.
I mean, this is not a special guest. You do not want to breathe this toxic waste. We got a blue grenade. It's definitely a grenade. Oh no, we got a nuclear bomb! Nuclear bomb! Oh my god! Go nuclear bomb!
Don't get too close because we don't know what it does.
Featuring Iggy.
Is there more of that?
Featuring Iggy,
Say.
him, her, and Victor and Cody. It's red! Your eardrums.
Ain't that just great?
Oh yeah. Did I mention?
That was shooting.
Oh
Oh my god! That's the best. Oh wait, it's still going. Does this thing die out?
You definitely expected this happening. It's still going.
I think I'm gonna move that.
Finally! Oh my god!
Maybe
it's done.
But how long was that?
Happy birthday.
That was like 5 minutes. So minimum. Please open this.
They have fun things.
I want to try and do some. I want to try and do some.
Spray down over there. The grass is getting all brown.
It's going to get brown regardless, but yes.
I'll give.
Victor, can you
We
do
got
me
a
favor?
grenade.
Yes, sir.
So
Pick
I'm.
up your tank and
Ouch!
things and throw it out.
This is gonna produce smoke. Just watch.
Too hot.
Let's do,
Spray down the grass.
Purple smoke.
Because it's turning like black.
The purple smoke will die to you. Purple smoke.